Morning students, welcome to your social science virtual class. In our previous class, I have told you a story about Hari. I think everyone learned something from that story. I have told you that story about dignity of labor. Means we should respect all work. Here question is, what is labor? All forms of occupation, job or work are known as labor. Yes, students, there are two types of labor. One is manual labor and other is intellectual labor. Here we will discuss about these. Firstly, we will discuss about manual labor. Manual labor is that labor in which physical strength is used more, means physical work is done more. Like mason, carpenter, butcher, sweeper, blacksmith, etc. Means no any educational qualification is needed for manual labor, only physical work is required for that. Next is intellectual labor. Intellectual labor is that labor which requires mental ability, or you can say that intelligence is required for that. Intellectual labor requires mental ability and educational qualifications like lawyer, doctor, teacher, engineer, pilot, scientist, etc. Dear students, normally people think that intellectual labor is more important than the manual labor. Some people in our society look down upon manual labor. They give more respect to intellectual labor in comparison to manual labor. They forgot that respect lies in the quality of work, not in the type of work. No work is big or small, all are respectable. All the occupations require sincerity, mental alertness, hard work, creativity. I am giving you example of a watchman who guards our colony carefully, and an astronaut who travels and works in the spacecraft. Both are performing important and useful jobs for us. Where we need watchmen, that work cannot be done by others, and in same way the work of astronaut cannot be done by the watchman. Means all the works are important, so we should respect both equally. This is dignity. Dignity of labor means to respect for all types of jobs or labor. No work is inferior or superior to others. No job is greater than the other. Dignity can be achieved only with the hard work. That work is having dignity which is done honestly. The craftsmen of Kashmir are famous for embroidery on shawls, carving, wood. People of Gujarat also famous for Kachi mirror work. Rajasthani's Lahariya work is famous in all over India. It is the hard work, creativity and the quality work that earns respect for these craftsmen of different states. No job is superior than other. All jobs are equal. Mahatma Gandhi ji teaches about dignity of labor in Sabarmati Ashram. The people living in the ashram were taught to clean the toilets and the surroundings themselves. These were the preaches of Mahatma Gandhi, to keep your surroundings clean and to clean your toilets themselves. Means No work is superior or inferior, all the works are equal. Gandhiji said that manual work is not inferior. We should respect all types of jobs. People who are doing manual labor, they are not inferior in any way. A respectable job or work becomes unrespectable only if that is done in a wrong way or by unfair means. It is important to talk politely with our maids or servants and to give respect to them for the work or the help which they are doing for us. Sometimes children do not feel proud of the occupation of their parents. We should not feel inferior by doing any work. All works are important. We require a sweeper as much as we need a doctor. A sweeper cannot do the work of doctor and a doctor cannot do the work of sweeper. It is important to know that it is the hard work, devotion, dedication and pride in the quality of many people that make our life comfortable. So honest living is always a respectable living. Thank you.